Hey, this is Cgaga 60 Inches Daily Tips. Subscribe to make your daily life easier. Sweet and sour eggs. 1. Ingredients: 5 eggs, 5 garlic cloves, 3 green onions, 1 teaspoon of spiced vinegar, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of edible salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half bowl of purified water. 2. Crack 5 eggs into a big bowl, and add 2 drops of white vinegar in order to remove the fishy flavor. 3. Prepare some chopped green onions and garlic puree. 4. Put a proper amount of cooking oil into a fry pan, and heat it with a cooking fire. 5. Pour the egg liquid into the fry pan and stir fry the egg liquid until the liquid becomes solid state. 6. Take the well-fried egg out from the pan and put it in a clean bowl for later use. 7. Now, let's make the sauce. Put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and half bowl of purified water into another clean bowl. Then, mix them. 8. Put a proper amount of cooking oil into a fry pan, and heat it with a cooking fire. Then add the garlic puree and stir fry it a little bit. 9. Pour the sauce mix into the pan, add the well-fried egg as well as the chopped green onions. Keep stir frying them. 10. After a while, it's all done. Put the food in a dish. Isn't the dish easy to make, enjoyable and nutritious? Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more tips.